Meanwhile, on another line, other cuts of the tuna are being processed for canning. A dicing machine cubes the meat into small chunks.
Its shaped shape is reminiscent of its former life in the ocean.
The 4 large loins are now fully separated, diverging onto 4 separate conveyor belts for further processing.
Based on the scan data, small robotic arms trim away any unwanted fat or tissue with surgical precision.
Here we see the mechanical assessment of the tuna's firmness, a key indicator of its sashimi-grade quality.
Meanwhile, on another line, other cuts of the tuna are being processed for canning. A dicing machine cubes the meat into small chunks. The automated nozzles dispense a precisely measured amount of oil into each can, ensuring consistency down the line.
The machinery is a labyrinth of functional components, all working in a synchronized, unfeeling ballet.
The sealed boxes travel down a conveyor belt, each one identical to the last. The tuna is now an anonymous commodity.
The automated stretch wrapper ensures stability, cocooning the pallet in multiple layers of clear plastic film.
Resembling a highly organelled ant colony, the AGVs navigate this complex environment with seamless precision, optimizing every movement.